Philippine Air Force FA-50 aircraft reported missing has been located by ground troops in the vicinity of Mount Kalatungan Complex, Bukidnon, today, March 5, 2025. With deep regret and profound sadness, the Philippine Air Force announces the loss of the 2 pilots aboard.
Yes, sir, no? Yung deployment po ng FA-50 is in support to the operations that we were conducting. So, yung flight nila is to support the ground troops.
Suspendido muna ang paglipad ng 11 pang FA-50 aircraft ng Philippine Air Force habang iniimbestigahan pa ang pagbagsak ng isang unit nito na may tail number 002.
What we do here naman is we ensure expedited investigation. No? The sooner we can get the fleet out of the grounded status, the better, because the sooner they can get back to their mandate of ensuring our, lalo na napaka-critical nung external defense issues natin, and we really need our FA-50s to be there in case meron tayong kailangan harapin na challenges dyan sa ating binabantayang mga territorial waters and exclusive economic zone areas.